it is no secret that people are really crazy about the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro that are coming on October 6th. And we already know so many things about the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. But recently we got to know that if you buy a Pixel 7 and 7 Pro at Target, then you will get $100 and $200 of gift card respectively. But that's not only it. As revealed by Roland Quant, the Pixel 7 series will be available with some superb pre-order gifts in certain markets. According to this reliable leaker, those who pre-order the Pixel 7 Pro will get a Pixel Watch. Yes! And those who opt for the standard Pixel 7 will get the Pixel Buds Pro. Now, if you want to know about the Pixel Watch, then I recently made an exclusive video on the Pixel Watch, then definitely check out that one. Just think about it. If you're getting a Pixel Watch as a pre-order bonus, then it is freaking amazing. Because after all, we have heard that Pixel Watch will be priced from $250 for the Wi-Fi model to $399 for the cellular model of an exclusive Pixel Watch. So either way, if you're thinking of buying a Pixel 7 Pro, then yeah, you should pre-order just the moment event drops. And the release date, if you don't know, is 13th of October. So you have to wait a little bit to get these devices. But do keep this in mind, this offer might also be exclusive to UK. Or it just might not, it will also be available in the US as well. We will definitely have to wait for more leaks to come in. What you're gonna get with the Pixel 7 Pro or the Pixel 7? So this year, the devices will be differentiated from each other in the size too. The Pixel 7 will have 6.3-inch 90Hz panel, while the Pixel 7 Pro will have a 1440p 120Hz adaptive high refresh rate panel. Now if you're thinking the Pixel 7 Pro will look almost identical to the Pixel 6 Pro, but the Pixel 7 will be smaller than the Pixel 6 because it is just a smaller phone. Now at the back though, they will have a very refined design over the past generation Pixels. But that doesn't mean it will not have the Pixel DNA to it. It will still have the camera bar, but there will be matte finish camera bar than glossy. And on top of that, the color options this year are totally different. The Pixel 7 will come in lemongrass, snow, and obsidian. The obsidian is a glossy jet black kind of color. The Pixel 7 Pro on the other hand will come with hazel, obsidian, and snow color options. So yeah, this year we're not getting that many color options or the dual tone finish that much, but yeah, we're getting something. Now as for the panels, well, we're hearing that the Pixel 7 Pro will have an upgraded Samsung panel compared to last year's that will have much higher peak brightness as well as manual high brightness. And on top of that, these two devices will be powered by the Tensor G2 chip. Now if you don't know about the Pixel Gen 2 chip, it simply is like this. This year, you're gonna have a very slight of a CPU improvement. And to be more specific, the CPU cores, and that too, the 2 Cortex X1 cores and the 2 Cortex A76 cores will have a little bit of a clock speed boost by about 50 and 100 MHz respectively. The Cortex A55 cores that will handle the lighter tasks like scrolling, scrubbing, or stuff like that, it will be identical to the last year. So yeah, if you are thinking the CPU upgrade isn't gonna be there, but the Tensor chips are not for the CPU. They're known for their AI capabilities, and that's why they're getting a big upgrade. And on top of that, the first generation Tensor chips GPU is also getting replaced by Mali G17 GPU, which is about 20% faster and 20% more power efficient compared to the last year's one. The leaked Geekbench result shows it will have about 10% performance boost in the CPU as well. That's probably because of the higher clock speeds and also the 4nm process node. Now as for the charging, we are not hearing anything new. The charging speed is gonna be almost the same as last year's, but hopefully this year it will be much more optimized so it will be able to charge at a higher wattage than usual. That's the same thing I can say about the camera sensors as well. On the Pixel 7 Pro, you're barely gonna have any upgrades in the camera sensors. But yeah, the imaging will be upgraded because of the Tensor G2 chip are gonna stay the same. The Pixel 7 on the other hand will have almost identical sensors as the Pixel 6, but it will have a 11 megapixel selfie camera instead of an 8 megapixel on the Pixel 6. So that's a big improvement. So this year, the whole Pixel 7 and 7 Pro feels like they're a very minor upgrade, but it is actually about refinement than anything else because the Pixel 6 and 6 Pros were really good. And for the price, well, they were amazing. And then if you're thinking the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will also come at the same exact pricing, and that's what even Amazon listing also suggests. So it is pretty crazy. And on top of that, this year these devices will come to more markets than they ever did. So definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How excited you are for the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 7. Are you gonna pre-order them on 6th of October? Let me know. And before the outro, here's one big important thing. Trust me, this is the best freaking wallpaper pack I have ever created. And this is the Agate Series 3 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack has 18 super high resolution 8K wallpapers custom made for your tablets, laptops, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to check out, or simply visit my website johndavid.com for a lot more than these wallpapers, tech news and so many stuffs. So yeah, definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.